Good morning, guys. All right, well, Bitcoin's dropping. We all know this, but market cap is starting to move back up by, honestly, you can't move market up unless it's moving by the millions. So market cap's moving up by the millions right now while the market's dropping. Is this going to be a big crash, a huge crash, or is it just a temporary higher low formation for another move back up? Well, we'll talk about that in today's video, guys. We're currently sitting at 121 wins and 0 losses. I was just thinking about this on this video. I was like, you know what? What would I have done if someone came to me like 5 years ago and was like, look, you can join a community where we've never lost a crypto trade. And on top of that, we have the healthiest crypto account we can find on YouTube. I'm like, the healthiest crypto account in a bear market overall, and you guys have never lost a trade. It's pretty fun, guys. I thank God so much for all the wisdom he's given us to be able to come out with this strategy and teach us to so many, like literally thousands of people now. Come over and trade with us. The link's in the description. Let's just dive in now to talk about this. Guys, I've been calling this drop here for the last, I would say solidly for about the last 4 to 5 days here. We were looking for this drop down to, it's so, I like remember it by memory now because we've been just saying it so much. It's 42,700. I've been looking for this drop down to 42,700 for this possible drop back down. It's at structure high here and it's for the structures here. I do think we could still head down here. Guys, the market headed up too fast to not see a nice correction back down. As far as the trade for Bitcoin that all of you guys are in, you're only down 3.92%. This is nothing. This is so simple. All of our traders are so ridiculously healthy in their accounts that we're not even worried about it. I hope you guys can hear some of my tone this morning on these videos. Like, I'm not worried. I'm more jacked than anything because when the market goes down, more buy limits get hit and we get to get back into profit faster because our break-even entry moves down. So fun. Watch this in today's video. So retail traders are waking up this morning and they're saying, okay, my RSI stochastic, MACD, and my 5100 moving average are all bearish. All right, I'm probably going to keep selling into the market. That's what I'm looking for, guys, continual selling from retail traders. But let me show you some bullish signs that I see with the metrics over here. And I'll show you guys how to get to a trade setup. Look at this. Price versus well money flow, trend exhaustion. When we see this push in the top red section here and we see well money flow coming from a low and it's moving up, we got to watch for drops, guys. We have to watch for drops. No other way to point this out is that if you guys start, let me show you something else here. Can I just show this to you guys? If you see that the market is doing something like this where you're getting really high in the market and it's accelerating too fast, you've got the well money flow up here, you got trend exhaustion high, you need to be looking for some type of move down. The reason why we use 2 indicators to confirm this is because one is it's just not enough. Okay, when this is showing us right here that, look, this is high and this is high, like we're not getting that big of drops back down. But when you sync these both up together and they're both high, that is where you guys can predict even larger drops back down. It's really fun. This is how we're predicting market moves. And this is where you guys can take some pretty decent, profits on your long trades, as well as those of you guys who are shorting the markets with our indicators. You're doing insane. On top of that, those of you guys using our scalping strategy who buy when the trend exhaustion is low and well money flows low, you guys are only going for 3 to 4%. You guys, every single one of you guys who have traded our scalping strategy, you've never lost a trade. Ever. Like 3 to 4%, guys, is so small, and trade it on the 4-hour time frame because look, can you take 3 to 4% out of this? Yes, there's a reason why I say 3 to 4%. I know the structured movements on the 4-hour time frame. I've traded it close to 5,000 hours now on the 4-hour time frame. Okay? Watch this. Once you guys have a membership, watch this masterclass right here. If you guys have been trading and you're like, I want a scalping strategy to trade Bitcoin, this is it. Masterclass 7 will show you guys how to trade our strategy with the indicators, and you guys will see how to use the metrics I'm about to go over as well to give you guys, honestly, some type of, it's just ridiculous confirmation in the market to get moves back up. Right now, you guys are looking at that setup right now, and I want to actually move in and show you guys how to do the scalping trade right now, and then I'll show you guys the bigger overall setup. So let's move over to the metrics, and we're going to kill 2 birds with 1 stone here. Emotional index for Bitcoin is in the anxious section. Okay, when the emotional index is anxious and the trend exhaustion is in the lower red section and well money flow is dipping down here, this is where you guys look to get back into the market and take 3 to 4% profit. Now, that's great. Scalping strategies out there. I scroll through my Facebook and Instagram and I see all these indicators out there, and it's just like, I gotta be honest, guys, sometimes it's just like, oh no, because what they're doing is they're showing you guys uptrends, and most of those, I'm not trying to bash any of these, but like some of these Lux algos and something like that, they use a lot of moving averages or super trends, and yes, they're going to show you screenshots of uptrends and downtrends. Look at your, I'm sorry, guys, can I just do this for just 1 second? When you guys are going through YouTube and you guys are going through Instagram and your Facebook, TikTok, whatever, and you guys see an ad, watch to see, they show you guys all the uptrends and downtrends. Now, yes, I'm not trying to bash that because, yes, you can do some decent money on uptrends, but there's no risk management put into that. You have to have risk management, guys, in your portfolios to keep you guys safe. That's why on this scalping position right here, I'm showing you guys in that video of how to use the buy limit. So in case it goes down further, you guys' break-even entry will go down further so you can make more money back up. It's really just the best way to trade, guys. Look at this. Let's get into something exciting. You guys ready for this? Long and short trades over here. Long trades have been, moving down just a little bit here. Short trades have been staying steady. Okay, that makes sense. When these metrics update today, you guys are probably going to see it move just a little bit different. Literally, we have about like 2 minutes until they update here. So definitely be watching this. What I'm expecting right now is for this market, yes, to see a move down because we broke the ascending support line and we could head down to this 42.7, but we are seeing something bullish. Look at this. We are finally seeing on the dip down, we're seeing millions of dollars enter back into Bitcoin. Interesting enough, guys, look at what Michael Saylor did just a couple days ago. He ended up buying over here $190 million of Bitcoin at an average price of $45,714. Guys, let's look at $45,714. $45,714 is right about this mark right here, right there. Okay. Yes, he's down about $6 million this morning. I already did the calculation, down $5.96 million, about $6 million at the moment. He's not worried. I think this guy's smart enough to know that, hey, look, we're going to put money in here and we may move down a little bit further, but we're probably going to see this overall CN move back up. It's just a higher low formation. Okay. Don't be worried about that, guys. If this guy puts in 190 million, I'm pretty sure he has a team that kind of knows what they're doing. Market cap is moving back up for Bitcoin. And yes, I do believe he was part of those people, and part of that purchase he made literally over here the last few days is pushing the market cap up for Bitcoin. Okay, $190 million will do that. Us retail traders can't do that. So are they buying the dip for a move up? I do think that's what we're going to see. Could we head down to 42.7? Absolutely. That's been the target for such a long time. Let me give you another reason why I think that's a target. If you take the high and you take the low of this trend, where does the 50% Fibonacci place us? Exactly at 42.7. Exactly. That's why I've been talking about this so much, guys. Okay, trades in favor was pushing up into the good short trade area. So all my scalpers out there, if you guys saw the thing up here pushing to a good short trade, and you guys saw the trend exhaustion high and the well money flow high, everybody was looking to take that trade in the masterclass that I taught you guys. And how much percentage were you looking for? 3 to 4%. You did not get in at the high. You did not get out at the low. Nobody did. But 3 to 4%. Can you secure 3 to 4% out of 7%? Even if I pull up a little bit higher, you guys had a total from top to bottom about 8%. This is very simple to pull 3 to 4% out of the market, guys. This scalping strategy is super, super good. It is literally the best one you guys will find. I'm confident of this. Okay, look at this, guys. Wait, hold on. Before I do this, I got to show this to you guys on Dogecoin. Dogecoin ended up crashing, and then I have to show this because I don't know, it's kind of funny a little bit, but maybe not funny to you guys. But watching this down here, this pumped up so fast, and then are we on Dogecoin right now? Yes, Dogecoin. I just did a video on Doge. Look at this over here. The amount of short trades that came out to short this is absolutely insane. It dropped 20% on Dogecoin. Okay, I want to show that to you guys. Now, those metrics on Dogecoin, if you come back over to Bitcoin and look at this, they are actually coming in and looking to buy the dip on Bitcoin. Look at this tower over here. So as we see moves down, guys, this is again, I don't believe we're going to crash back down here. I believe the days of Bitcoin going down to 3,500 are over for the year. I know that's a strong thing to say, but I do believe these prices down here are done for the year, and we'll probably move down a little bit further, and we won't actually move down too much further than this for the rest of the year. I do think we're going to probably either consolidate or move up and try to break an all-time high around $70,000 by the end of the year. But I do think these are in for the year as our lows, okay? I really do believe that, okay? Looking at this, we're seeing Wells Institutional Smart Money come back into the market. Yes, they shorted Doge yesterday and did about 20% on the drop. It dropped 20% yesterday. I literally have a video coming out. Am I rendering it right now? Let me see if I can show it. Yeah, look at this. The video's coming out here in just a second so you guys can watch this. A 20% crash on Doge. If you guys watched the metrics and had the indicators, I was showing you guys how you could have called that. And honestly, how you guys could have gotten to a trade to kind of make some ridiculous money on a short. We don't trade shorts, guys. We just trade longs. So all these 121 wins over here, they're all long. Some of you guys just jumped up and down, got excited because some of you guys are like, man, I don't know how to short. It's okay. We only go long. You can go long on every exchange. So if you guys want our win rate, we're only going long. If you can short as well, that's just more power to you and more money to you. Okay, support here. I know the show's down here about 44.2. I get that. I'm looking down here at this other mark. It's 42.7, guys. 42.7. This structure here. Look at the structure here. Here's a structure there. There's a structure there. What you do with this metric, guys, is look at where a majority of the cluster of reds or greens are. It is at 42,700. That's where I think we're going to move down to if we do crash and then see it move back up. Okay, let me get you guys into some trades here. Dollar cost average entry here. Dollar cost average entry this morning has gone off officially. Yes, this is a great place if you guys are looking to buy the dip. Here's something I need you guys to listen to, and I'll get you into trade setup here so you guys can look at this, and I'll show you the indicator cell in this video. Do you personally know if we're going to bounce back up right now or go back down? No. And even myself, who has the highest win rate on all of YouTube, I will be honest and humble here and say I have no idea if we're going to crash all the way back down or go up. So what does this leave all professional traders and traders in general with? It leaves them with forcing them to have good risk management, because none of us, no matter how smart we think we are, how good of metrics we have, we do not know exactly what's going to happen. We can predict the markets into a range of about 75 to 80% accuracy. But with that said, guys, what do you do with the other 15 to 20 to 25% that we cannot predict, that nobody can predict? You must have risk management take over the flaws of where metrics and indicators do not pick up. Okay, that is why we've never lost a trade, is because yes, we have the two best, guys, we have the best indicators for crypto, period. I'm confident about this, and I've coded indicators for a living for tradingview.com customers. Guys, these are the two best indicators to get for crypto. Grab them in the description. They're 82% off today. Grab them, okay? And then get a membership. But you must understand that risk management has to be part of your strategy, or else you're done. You're done for, guys. It's gambling if you don't use risk management, period. Okay? Don't be gamblers. All right. Sorry, guys. I'm extra passionate this morning. What we're looking for is if we can get price action to come up back above here and create this structure high here above 40, I would say, what are we looking at? 49? Yeah, about 49 and push to 50, we will probably officially move above the 200-day moving average, which will be very bullish. And if we can get the 50 to move above the 200-day moving average, we officially hit what's called a golden cross. Very bullish. Okay, let's move straight into a trade setup. This is how you guys trade Bitcoin. It's open. You guys can have it. Bitcoin's open to the public, so you guys can trade this as much as you want. The other ones you guys need to pay for, okay? Did I show this to you guys already? I'm sorry if I didn't do this already. And if this is redundant, please forgive me. Here's our membership. I'll make this fast. I'll blast through it. $95 a month. I should be charging like $400 or $500, guys. The metrics in here, you guys will get access to all these. The entries and exits for a Telegram channel. The master classes are all yours. The community chat is yours. And we're going to go live on Telegram. Excuse me. I will post it in Telegram, but we're going to go live on Zoom in 8 days on April 14th to talk about the markets, to do an open Q&A session. It's going to be a blast. So make sure you guys snag that, guys. This really is, humbly, guys, this is the cheapest membership you guys will find, to have a community of traders you can literally chat with, to be able to talk about the markets. And guys, the people who trade us, our members, they've never lost a single trade. Think about the power that you can like literally harness with a community that's never lost a crypto trade, and the wisdom behind it. It's actually insane if you guys think about that. So I think $100 is far, far underestimating what we should be charging. And anyways, I'm not gonna go there. I have thought about raising the price, but we're gonna keep it where it's at for now, because I want you guys to get in and take advantage of that. So look at this. Here's how you guys trade this. You've got the buy limit set up right here. We've got 4 yellow lines. You can literally see them over here, so I won't put them on the chart. Choose the amount you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions. Okay. Those 4 equal portions are going to go at each of the 4 buy limit prices in neon yellow. You cannot miss them. They are very, very big. It's just smaller because I have it shrinked over here so you can see this chart. But once you guys open this up, it is very big. You guys can clearly see all these prices over here on your website, okay, or on your computer or tablet. Once you guys have your first buy limit hit, set a sell limit up in green. This is in case we absolutely explode. Now, what you guys can do here, this is going to be very simple. Set up your buy limits and follow me in Telegram. I'm going to call an exit on this trade here when we get back into the profit. So once I call an exit on this, which is probably going to be very close to around, I would say this structure up here, you guys are probably going to do about 16% profit. You're going to do about 3 to 4% profit, 4% profit more than where we're at right now in our break-even entry, because you're starting 4% lower. So once you guys get in here, follow me in Telegram, and I'll call an exit for all of you guys, and you'll just make 4% more than what we even predict on the channel in the Telegram. That's it. It's that kind of a no-brainer. And then if we do end up heading down, look, you've got perfect risk management all the way down in case we drop. And as you drop back down, let me prove this to you guys. We had our first buy limit on November 15th, second on December 3rd, and the third on January 21st. Okay, look at the break-even entry. This entry did not stay on the first buy limit. It has come down and it has actually saved us in our accounts a total of about 23.54% that we do not have to make back up, and we're going to be back in the profit soon. This is why there's no better strategy to trade crypto than this, period. We have the healthiest crypto account we can find anywhere, guys, and the highest win rate ever on crypto that we can find. Okay, this is pretty amazing. So if you guys want to take advantage of this, come join us. This can sound very arrogant. I know it can in some of these videos, but please don't mistake that for just some passion. I thank God every day for like the wisdom he's given me to show you guys this. I prayed for this for years. I said, God, I want to be the greatest trader out there. I know it sounds like an arrogant prayer, guys, but I heard God tell me, and I literally journaled night after night after night. And I heard him say this: if you can master risk management, you will become one of the best traders in the world. If you can master risk management, you'll become one of the best traders in the world. And ever since I heard that, guys, we literally have gone on and created this strategy, and we have the highest win rate ever recorded for crypto, ever, that we can find. 121 wins in a row. And on top of that, the healthiest crypto account. The healthiest. So it's like the best of both worlds. So I'm very humbled by that. Like, thank you, God, for all the wisdom you share with me. I'm so blessed by that. And I'm just sharing all of this with you guys. So, thank you guys for just letting me be passionate and sharing that with you guys. It means a lot to me. So guys, the indicators are in the description. They're 82% off. I was going to just completely forget it to show this to you guys. But the indicators are 82% off. Snag this in the description today. You guys are going to get them all. Literally all 9 of our indicators you're going to get. The 3 that you really need: price response, money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. These are 40% off if you use the coupon code SAVEMONEY. If any of you guys have purchased any individual indicators from us, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. We'll send you a PayPal invoice and we'll have you pay the difference, and we'll just give you the rest of the indicators. Okay? Do not purchase the bundle pack if you purchase any other ones. Tell us what you've purchased. We'll just give you a PayPal invoice so you can pay the difference, and we'll give you everything else. So don't overpay anything. Let us do that for you, okay? The indicators are a one-time purchase. You get them for life, and you get the source code to all of the indicators, so nobody can take them away from you. Nobody. Okay, guys? Overall, for Bitcoin, money's heading back into the market. Millions are heading back into the market. We can see this over here with the clear sign that market cap is moving up. We can see millions buying because Michael Saylor just bought $190 million. Literally, guys, hundreds of millions of dollars are entering back into the market because we literally see it happening right here. And this was sent out. What was this? That was sent out. Let me give you guys an exact date on this. I think it was just like 3 days. April 5th, yesterday. So yesterday this came out. Okay, from MicroStrategy yesterday it came out. And he did this as a 4-4, which was 2 days ago. This is very current data. Hundreds of millions of dollars getting into Bitcoin. I think they may be buying the dip. So watch for this market to, yes, I believe it's going to head down a little bit further, but then see it move back up for a higher high formation. So guys, God bless you so much. Come over here, trade the strategy, get in with the membership, get into the chat, get in the indicators, have a blast, watch the masterclasses, scalp, make some more money this week for yourself, and I'll just keep coming out with the videos. And if you have any questions, email us at betradeconfident, betradeconfident@gmail.com, and we'll be there to help you guys. All right, guys, God bless you. Have an amazing day, and we will see you later. The links you need to click are in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.